Hey students, welcome back to Diksha Vedanto English channel. This is Suhas, your chemistry master teacher. Students, in this video, we discuss how to write answer like a pro. What about pro? What is this, Bhaiya? Don't worry, students, please watch the video till end to ensure to get out of out marks to present a paper for your evaluator. Let me discuss, students. Come on, let's discuss. Before entering to the session, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe the channel and also Telegram channel for more updates. Come on, let's discuss without wasting the time. Students, we know, right? We know Monday onwards languages is there. That's why I start with languages. Languages, okay? Languages. For example, in Karnataka, the student choose Kannada and English, Sanskrita and English. English is compulsory. Right, students? For English, we already know we have an passages, we have an 50% grammar part. For grammar part, students, please read an NCERT textbook. And for example, what about, sir, what about if they ask passage? Very simple, student. If they ask passage, if they ask any letter, right? The paper, the booklet format is there. It is look like in your paper only. Leave left margin and right margin. You maintain the exam pattern between the paper. For example, any letter write. Letter write your father. Letter write example leave letter, any other letter. Okay, I don't know about English too much, students. Just simply concentrate. Format, letter format, maintain letter format and other things. If they ask 5 marks question, we already know. For MCQ, students, 20 MCQ is there now. In every paper 20 MCQ is there. For MCQ, sometime what happened? Some mistakes are there. Printing mistakes are there. For that, I refer you guys, mention in left margin, mention question number correctly and also with sub question. For example, 5 marks question, they divided to A, B, C, right? Like students, mention question number and also sub question. If you are free, if you have one time, please mention the question also. Please mention the question. It is useful. Why? What happened? Your answer is correct, but you choose different option or you choose different answer. For example, in exam time, we are in early situation. Bhaiya, exam fever, I didn't start. Oh my god, first right, only 3 hours is there. That thing is happened. For that thing, very simple, students. Mention question number and option, and also if you write wrong answer for the different questions, they definitely, some evaluators are very good. What they know, oh, students still confused. That's time they give 1 or 2 marks. Right, students? This is for languages. It is follow for Hindi and everything. In languages, grammar is very important, student, and also languages are the easy subject to score marks. Shall we move for the next? Next is an science. Science is divided into PCB. In physics, you guys are most of the students face difficulty in problems. You can easily answer the theory questions, but you don't know about problems. But yeah, how to write problem neatly? First, for problem, this for example, assume this is an booklet. Here I already told, leave this margin, left margin, right margin. Then start. For example, any one focal length, any problem they give, start here, write given and F value, that R value, something values are there. You need to write the values and also what do you calculate. For example, they ask current I. Here you need to mention I. Then first step, you need to mention the relevant formulae. Every step carries marks, students. For this given, you guys have minimum 1 marks. If the problem is 4 marks or 3 marks, definitely for given, if you write only given and formulae, you get 2 marks. For calculation, 1 marks, and unit is very important. Please mention correct unit. It is also important. I hope physics is clear. Physics is very easy. Come to chemistry. In chemistry, chemical reactions are very important. And also, students, for theory marks, what they ask, write that only. For example, in chemistry, let's take an example. What you take is, what is combination reaction? It's a 2 marks question. You only write definition with example. It's enough. You do not write about chemical reaction. You do not write about balancing the reaction. It is necessary, is there? No, it is not necessary, bhaiya. It is not necessary, bro. You do not mention that. Okay. In chemistry, mainly concentrate on reaction, students. Write neatly reaction. Write reaction neatly. For example, any questions? For example, they ask reaction between metals and reaction between acid and base. Easy question. Let's take acid and base. How to write? How to write? Acid reacts with base to give salt and water with neutralization reaction. We call this as a neutralization reaction. And also every chemical reactions, every chemistry questions, if any relevant reaction is there, please mention the reaction. Please mention the reaction. Chemistry is nothing but chemical reactions. Okay. And mainly, for example, in science, especially in physics, some of physics, chemistry, bio, in all three subjects, some of the words are very important. For example, in combination reaction, heat two reactants react to give one product. Here you need to underline the important word. This is called what? This is called combination reaction. That thing you need to underline the word. Very important. Please underline the word. Important word. This about chemistry. Next, bio. Bio we know diagram is very important. You need to write neat diagram. With parts. Students, I give one important trick here to score bio marks. What's it? Whenever you write diagram, right? For example, any amoeba diagram. For example, this is amoeba diagram. Some is there, na? You need to mention the parts. Very important. If they ask 4 marks, please mention the parts. For example, here some parts are there, cell membrane. You need to take on scale and maintain consistency, maintain discipline, maintain everything. And please do not scratch the paper. If it's wrong, simply do one scratch. That's enough. Instead of one scratch, don't do like this. Okay. I hope science is clear. Let's move on to the social studies, SST. Social science, SST, social studies or social science. In SST, mainly you guys are facing a problem in history, right? Don't worry. Students, mention the date correctly. For example, any kingdom is there, nationalism in Europe, something is at 1916 is happened. Okay. You need to mention the date with underline. Okay. You need to mention the date and underline the date and explain neatly. The pattern is common, students, for every paper. You need to give gap in, you need to leave this left and right margin. In left margin, you write questions with their subtitles, with their sub questions. And in especially, I forgot the MCQ. In MCQ, students, don't write any options. Don't write any options. You write options, yes, it is correct. You write options with question, not an question with answer. For example, here ABCD is there, iron something is there. Iron is an answer. You need to iron. You need to mention answer. If you mention answer, most of the time evaluator think, oh, this student is very intelligent. If we give a good marks, definitely he will be a topper. Okay. This about SST. In SST, the map is very important, right? Map shows an important role. You need to draw map, Indian map. I don't know about Indian map, students. Something is happened, right? Okay, wait 1 second. I draw it in next session. Just leave that. Okay. Indian map is very important. Please concentrate on Indian map. Here also the same trick is followed, students. Mark the place. Some places they give, for example, identify that Arabi Sea and other thing is there now. You need to draw one straight line and mention neatly it is an Arabi Sea. This about SST. Next, last and important, mathematics. I know in yesterday session also so many students, Bhaiya, I score single digit score. I can able to pass. Mathematics is easy, students. In mathematics, I give only 2 to 3 tricks. In mathematics lecture only I give, in session only I give many tricks. In mathematics, same question paper. For example, if they ask 2 marks for every questions, not only 2, 3 or 5. For every questions you need to enter relevant formulae. For example, probability. For everyone you need to enter probability formula. P of E is equal to number of favorable unit to the number of total units, right? Number of favorable outcomes to number of total outcomes. Right, students, you need to mention every formula below the question. It may be 2 marks, it may be 3 marks, just leave the marks. If you score 99 but it not considered as an unread, right? That is the main important. And also in mathematics, final answer, please highlight the final answers with the box. And also mathematics, very important, solve questions step by step. If 2 into 2 is there also, you need to mention 2 into 2 is equal to this product will come 4. These things you need to write in mathematics exam. Okay students, I hope you got some idea. Follow this trick. Your Baya also follow the same trick to able to score 90 plus in your degree marks and also 85 plus in my school boards. That's why I give this trick. Students, you already know our channel cross 1K. Okay, in this video I give some target for you. If the channel cross 2K in end of this week is nothing but before 25th, you have a big surprise from your Suhas Bhaiya. Share the channel and also all the best for your examination. Don't worry guys, you definitely rock it. Bye, all the best. If you have any doubt, let me know in comment section in the video. And also bye, take care, all the best for your languages. Follow this trick and bye bye.